Oh, we're recording. Another system of inequalities. All right. And these vary. Um, we try not to, do 7 or 8. You might have something with 4 or 5. I think, I don't remember. But I've just got 3 equations here. So I'm going to start with the x greater than 1. There we go. I really should update the other one because I learned to do some other things in the software I was using there. So greater than 1 and shaded the region because it's not equal to 1 dashed line for that guy. And because there's not another horizontal or vertical, I went straight into the diagonal lines. And I'm going to show them in pairs before I show them all 3 together. Like that. So the 2 minus y, the first one less than x, and the vertical line graphed together there. Both have the dashed lines, both have the region shaded. I have the vertex 1, 1 highlighted there. I used the x and y intercepts for the diagonal line. And when you are determining where to shade the diagonal line, like the previous example, you can test the points, or I show you right there how to solve the equation for y. I highly recommend when the y is negative that you add it to both sides rather than forgetting how to flip the inequality and making a mistake there. So the y is on the greater than, which would be the region above, which you can clearly see in my diagram on the right there. And the next one, I'm going to graph the other diagonal and that vertical line and show those. So I'm showing them separate and then I'll put them all together there. So same thing, we've got a vertex there of the 1, -3, and my diagonal line, I have the intercepts that I used to graph that. This line has the equals bar, so the line will be solid like that. And then determining where to shade the diagonal line. Again, I use test points, and I always try to pick something easy for me to do. If you can pick the origin, pick the origin. But then I picked something that was way off to the side, 5, -5, plugged it in, tested it out. And again, you could solve for it. And like I said before, if you got a negative y, add it rather than dealing with flipping that inequality and forgetting and making a mistake there. And put them all together. And I think the gray scale came out better than the mixed color before, like that. This is another region that is not bounded. So you can see hopefully the darker side there, and we had a vertex that was at the bottom of that. You kind of see an interior triangle there, 1, -3, but it's not a part of the solution set. Like that. And I got my vertices marked. There's only 2 of them. This is unbounded. And all of these dots are open dots because one of the lines is a dashed line. So technically open dots are correct. If I had 2 solid lines intersecting, then that vertex should be a solid dot. Like that. Well, there you go.